And this time, let's talk about time. First, let's count the number as a relation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And at 1 o'clock is jam 1. What about 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock is jam 2. And 3 o'clock is jam 3. Can you try to continue? 4 o'clock, jam 4. And then jam 5, jam 6, jam 7, jam 8, jam 9, jam 10, jam 11, jam 12. And let's try to ask about the time. Permisi, jam berapa sekarang? Permisi, jam berapa sekarang? And the answer will be sekarang. For example, it is 1 o'clock now. Sekarang jam 1. What about 2 o'clock? Pay attention. Yes, it will be sekarang jam 2. And what about a 5 o'clock now? Sekarang jam 5. 8. Sekarang jam 8. And 10. Sekarang jam 10. And 12. Sekarang jam 12. Can we make a dialogue now? Permisi, jam berapa sekarang? And it is 4. Sekarang jam 4. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa.